Good morning, children. Now, today I will explain you the topics which are given under participles. First, let me tell you, children, that participles they will act as an adjective. Okay, like gerunds, they also end in ing. Listen carefully. Participles, present participle will also end in ing. Okay, as you can read that present participles end in ing and they show the actions going on or incomplete or imperfect. So they will also end in ing. But children, participles, present or past participles, they always act as an adjective. Clear? Now let me explain you, children. uh, First thing you have to remember, when two actions happen at the same time and they are done by the same person or thing, so we can use present participle to describe one of them. Okay, and these two actions will be following very quickly one another. Okay, so we will use present participle. Okay, like for example, it is given, you can see, whistling to himself, he walked down the road. Okay, so that means the same person is doing both the action, whistling to himself, he walked down the road. Okay, so we will use whistling, ing form. Okay, one action will follow quickly after another. Okay, and we will write this one as whistling to himself, he walked down the road. Clear? Now you come back to your page on textbook. We met a girl carrying a pot of milk on her head. That means this action was going on. Like the same which I said, whistling to himself. That means the action was going on. Okay, the girl was carrying a pot of milk on her head. So this will show present participles with ing form. They will show actions going on or the two actions going on. Okay, one following the another very quickly. Hearing the noise, the child woke up. The same person is doing both the actions. Hearing the noise, that means the child heard the noise and he woke up. So, hearing the noise, he woke up. Okay, so two actions going on at the same time and done by the same person or thing. So, we will use present participle to describe one of them. Okay. So the first action, whichever will be done, like here whistling to himself, he whistled to himself as he walked down. So which is the first action? Whistling. So the first action we will represent or express with the present participle verb form. Okay. Now children, another thing, past participle and having form. Okay, this way also we use. Okay, this way also we make the sentences. Past participle form will be there, that means verb third form just immediately after having. Okay, one action happened after the other. Having read the book, the boy came out of the room. So one action happened after the other. Which action happened? Having read the book. And which happened after? The boy came out. Okay, so here it will be third form, that is read, R-E-A-D. Third form used immediately after having to show that one action happened after the other. Okay, we can show both actions also, children, happening at the same time. The boy came reading out of the book. Sorry, room. Okay, so here both the actions are happening at the same time. That means the boy came reading out of the room. That means he was carrying that book and he came out at the same time. Okay, so remember children, present participle, they will end in ing. They will show the actions which happened one after the other in a quick succession. They will show the actions which happened at the same time, but it will always, the verb form will end in ing. Okay, and participles here, they will actually act as an adjective. Okay, now children, come to this, it was an amazing film. So present participle, we are describing the film. What is the role of an adjective? To describe. Okay, so we are describing the film. What kind of film? Amazing film. So we have added ing. Dark billowing clouds. Okay, so we are describing the clouds. So that is what present participles, they act as an adjective. Okay, Then children, we can also use present participle for explaining a reason. Okay, like you can see, feeling hungry, he went into the kitchen and opened the fridge. Okay, so feeling hungry. What is the reason of going into the kitchen and opening the fridge? Feeling hungry. So I